Are you worried about stumbling over your words during a presentation? Fear not. We've got the master techniques to help you speak with confidence and clarity. Today, we're breaking down 5 essential techniques to transform your speaking skills. First up, preparation. Know your audience. Tailor your message to resonate with them. Organize your thoughts and practice until you're brimming with confidence. Next, vocal techniques. Speak slowly and clearly. Enunciate each word. Use intonation to add emphasis and emotion. And project your voice. Make sure everyone in the room can hear you. Now let's talk body language. Maintain eye contact. Engage your audience by looking directly at them. Use confident gestures. Purposeful hand movements can drive your points home. Stand up straight. Good posture exudes confidence. For fluency and pronunciation, practice makes perfect. Focus on the correct pronunciation of words. Use filler words like or ah sparingly, and link your words together smoothly with transitional phrases. Lastly, confidence boosters. Focus on your message, not your nerves. Visualize your success. See yourself nailing that presentation. And take deep breaths to calm your nerves. Master these techniques and you'll be speaking like a pro in no time. Ready to take the stage? Go on, inspire the world with your words.